Hey everyone, welcome to Life Thoughts Camera YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Blue Ridge Cottage, which is located in Ooty, that is in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. This location is a very popular hill station in the south, and it is a sought after weekend destination for us Bengaluru city dwellers. The Blue Ridge is a cottage that is inside the premises of a tea plantation. The cottage is located near Ketti Valley. It houses two cottages that are very quaint. Reaching the cottage. We traveled from Bengaluru to Ooty in our car. It took us a little over 9 hours or so. It took us so long because we made a lot of pit stops on the way, which included breakfast. We drove at a casual pace, taking multiple breaks for photos and highway food. You should check out my travel diary video. I have mentioned all the pit stops and Google Map routes. As this video progresses, there will be a lot more pop-ups just like this. Do check them out for more information. I have shared the Google Map link for this cottage in the description box below. Cottage walkthrough. This is how the property looks. It has two cottages, one above and the second one is just a bit below. The below cottage overlooks the tea estate and the above cottage is next to the road. A cobble path will lead you to the main door. Each cottage has its very own bedroom, bathroom, living room and kitchen. I personally love the rafted ceilings and wooden floorings. My experience. It is located close to the main road itself. We followed the route using our Google Map. It is very easy to find. We chose this cottage mainly because it was secluded and it had sufficient rooms for our huge group. We wanted to be away from all the concrete jungle noises. The entire area surrounding the cottage was surrounded by greenery. My hubby, who loves to drive, was really enjoying the cruise time on the really nice winding road leading to the cottage. Once we got out of our car, all we heard was the chirping of the birds. Upon reaching, we had to park our vehicles outside the premises. A small landing was provided for parking, but it was not gated. In general, it is a beautiful property. Not much decor, just nature all around. At first glance, I can say that the room gave a cozy and relaxed vibe. Painting a room white can make it feel clean and spacious. And there were wooden furnitures which completed the energy of the room. Our bed is very comfortable and thankfully it did not have any strong musty smell. The room had amenities like iron box and room heater. I was also happy with the availability of sufficient plug points. I think the room had about 5. Usually it is around just 2 plug points. The room we stayed in had an attached bathroom. Some bedrooms did not have an attached bathroom, but a common bathroom was available for use, and it was close to those rooms. We did have a few small hiccups during our stay. First, Our room heater did not work. We borrowed our friend's room heater as they were not that cold. And even that extra room heater did not work. I did not sleep well as it was really cold for me. The next issue was the hot water in the bathroom. Whenever I turned on the tap, the water would be really hot, but in just a few seconds, it would start to get cold and then just become icy cold water. So I had to finish my bath with really cold water. Eating and drinking. This kind of varied. Sometimes the food was really good and sometimes it was not. Food was prepared by the caretakers, and every time we would order what we wanted by calling to their mobile. All the requirements had to be made much in advance as the cook would have to go to the market to buy the supplies and then cook the food. We would have our meals in the kitchen, which is part of every cottage. A couple of times we would not be able to reach the cook. We would call like around 4 p.m. to place our evening order, but we could never reach them. Thankfully, this never happened with our main meals. Now, feast your eyes upon some of the dishes we ate. Oh, and by the way, our group included vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Apart from the main food, we also ordered snacks. At the end of our stay, the caretaker handed over a handwritten bill that had all the supplies and costs. Honestly speaking, we did not understand the bill. We just ended up paying whatever the amount was. This part should have been handled better. I feel it's the job of the owner and should not fully rely on the caretaker. Other points. So I mentioned the reason that we booked this place as it is far from the main city and also secluded, right? Well, our plan was to sleep in and wake up late, but that did not happen. From around 6 a.m., we started hearing loud music. It took us a while to fully wake up and realize that it was not one but two music being played. We were told that this lodge was located far away from the city, as in away from all the sounds. That's why we booked it. But now we were told that one music was coming from a school. Something like school day was happening and the other was coming from a worship place. And both were located close by. Don't miss out on the famous Ooty train. We caught a glimpse of it from outside our cottage lawn itself. The entire property is beautiful, and I feel it is all thanks to Mother Nature. The cottage itself was not that clean, and it was a bit dusty like everywhere. I had to take my medication just so that I did not get my dust allergy attack. On the day we were leaving, I was ready first, so I started to place all our luggage outside. And while I was doing this, the caretaker started to just clean the cottage. I wound up not having any place to sit as the floors were all wet from mopping, and it had just drizzled in the morning, so my footwear got all muddy. Do check out all my videos related to this trip. This trip was a very relaxed trip. We did not go out for much sightseeing, but we did go out for lunch. We went to Cafe Dia. Cottage facilities. I have mentioned all the facilities here. Do pause the video to go through them. My rating. For location, I'm going to give it a 4.5, all thanks to Mother Nature. Ambience also gets a 4.5. Cleanliness, I'm going to give it a 3. Decor definitely gets a 2. Service also gets a 3. Food presentation gets a 3. Food taste and texture also is a 3. Value for money, I would say a 3.5. And lastly, the overall rating, I'm going to give it a 3.5. Final thoughts. Apart from the morning sounds, all the dust, and sometimes not being fed, it is a really beautiful and tranquil space. You can hear the chirping of the birds, see the sunset as the clouds just pass by, creating all those various shadows and lights on those beautiful green fields. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!